So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about latest lateral hiring jobs 2021. So it's a reference job, you can say. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates regarding latest off-campus drives and the job references. So these below companies are for the freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So let me tell you one thing, different companies has the different hiring process. So if you are not watching this video carefully or till the end, so you may not be able to know the different eligibility criteria and the selection process. So I am requesting all of you to watch this video till the end, otherwise you will miss the things that you must know before applying for these job roles. And let me tell you one thing, Accenture is hiring right now for the freshers and the 0 to 1 year experienced candidates. So if you have not applied for the job role and want to know more about the eligibility criteria and the hiring process and the drive date, then you can watch our last or the previous video regarding the Accenture off-campus drive. So I'll be putting the link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to know what are the different eligibility criteria and the hiring process. So now let's discuss. So the first company name is Jobber. They are hiring for the front-end developer as well as for the intern position. Then location you will be getting Noida only, and salary will be getting best in the industry. So I have not mentioned any salary here because they have not mentioned this thing in their official website. So according to the Glassdoor review, I have mentioned the salary in the thumbnail of this video. So you may get much more than the average or the mentioned salary. So it is the average salary a employee is getting for the mentioned job role. So now experience required. So fresher or the experienced candidates can apply for this job role. Then employment type full time, and qualification required is only BE Tech. No other degree candidates like BSc, MSc, etc. are not eligible. Then branch only the computer science background candidates. Other branch candidates like mechanical, civil are not eligible. Sorry. Then batch starting from 2019 to the current batch, that means 2021, can apply for this job role. Then the basic requirements. So you must have good understanding of HTML, CSS or the JavaScript, basic understanding of Angular framework, basic understanding of REST API integration, and knowledge of other frameworks like AngularJS, React will be an added advantages. So these are the basic requirements they have. I guess many of you know about the HTML because it is the basic. CSS or the JavaScript, it's very much easy to know the basics. Then for 2021 they can apply for the intern position because this is the current batch. So you can apply for the either for the internship or the intern position or the full-time employment for the front-end developer. So if you are interested for this job role, you can send your updated resume at the careers@jobpot.com at the mentioned email ID. So let me tell you one thing, while sending your updated resume, I am requesting all of you to mention here the job role you are applying for in the subject line of the email so that they will be able to know for which job role you are applying, because they might be hiring for different job roles as well. So if you are not mentioning anything regarding the job role you are applying for, then they will not be able to proceed further with your application. Then second company is College Dunia. So it's a startup company. They are hiring for the operations analyst and job location is Gurgaon. Experience required is freshers only, and salary will be getting best in the industry again, and employment type is a full-time employment. Qualification required is again BE BTech only. Then branch, any branch, that means all the IT background candidates and the non-IT background candidates can apply for this job role. Then batch, any batch starting from 2018 or 17 up to 2021, all are eligible for this job role. Then the basic requirements. So as we discussed earlier, students should be B or BTech fresher. Good communication skill, it's mandatory. Google AdWords or the AdSense and the digital marketing experience is preferred. So you must have idea about the Google Ads, how the Google Ad works, etc. So if you are watching YouTube video within 5 to or 10 to 20 minutes you will be able to know what are the basics of Google Ads, how the Google Ad works, etc. So and the how to do the digital marketing, what are the various platforms where you can do the digital marketing, etc. You must have idea about the basic things you must know as you are a fresher. So should have knowledge of advanced Excel and should have good knowledge of HTML or CSS. So if you are interested for this job role, then you can send your updated resume at the mentioned email address to the directly to the HR. Then third company. So the third company name is Yalamchili Group. They are hiring for the software engineer role and location. There are various locations: Chennai, Vizag, Nagpur, or Mumbai. So you can join any of these locations according to your preference or flexibility. Experience required is either fresher or experienced. For both, it is applicable. Then salary will be getting again best in the industry according to your skills and experience. You will be getting salary. Then employment type is a full employment. Qualification required any degree, that means all the PE, BTech or BSc, BCA, etc. all are eligible for this job role. Then batch starting from 2018 to up to 2020, that means 2021 year of pass out or the batch candidates are not eligible for this job role. Unfortunately, for the above two job roles, College Dunia and for the Jobber, 2021 year of pass out candidates are eligible. For Yalamanchili, you are not eligible. Then branch, any branch, that means all the computer science background candidates as well as the non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical are eligible for this job role irrespective of their branch. Then requirements. So strong proficiency with SQL and variations among the popular databases. Experience with some of the modern relational database like CouchDB, Oracle, etc. Skilled at optimization of large complicated SQL statements. Knowledge of best practices when dealing with the relational database, etc. So basically you must have idea about the advanced SQL, you can say, because here you will be only working with the or dealing with the database or the relational database only. So you must have good knowledge or some hands-on experience on the SQL. So capable of troubleshooting some of the common database issues. So ability to plan resource requirements from high level specifications, etc. So if you are interested for this job role, you can send your updated resume to this either of these mentioned email address with mentioning the subject line you are applying for. So I hope you get a clear idea about these above three job roles or the three references, you can say. So if you are facing any difficulties or if you have any doubt regarding these off-campus types or the references, you can mention your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your career.